What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we gonna do today, we gonna go over the last day of the week, Friday's game plan. Before we do that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notifications. Newbies, beginners, where y'all at? Let's go ahead and get to it. First ticker up is gonna be RBLX. This thing has been pumping. We start calling this thing out way down here at $59. Well, even lower than that. I think it was like $57.25. And look where we sitting at. They ran this thing all the way as high as $66.50 today. This thing has been a little money maker. They had the little pullback at closing. They sitting at 65.10 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 65.85. If they can do that, boom, they running back to these tops up here at 66.50 before they start making their way to 67 bucks and higher. On the downside, if you are a bear, you want to see them open somewhere lower than 64.65. They can do that right there. You got another area of interest at 64.40. Next level down, 63.55. They start losing that area right there. You got these bottoms right over here at 63 even, and then boom, you coming down to 62.20. Next level down, you got 61.60. So there you go. And that play right there. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol HUT. This is one that you can make money on without spending a whole lot of money, without breaking the bank. They're sitting at 26.55. As you see, they gave you a few different moves. They gave you the pop up. They gave you the drop down, the pop back up, the drop back down. Here we go. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 26.70. They can open higher than that. Next level up is going to be 26.80. Next level up is going to be these tops up in here at 27 even. Next level, 27.10. This ticker, they have the little 10-cent pops. You got 27.32. To each his own. If this is how you want to roll, have at it. But this ticker is a little bit too slow for fresh. I don't really see much upside in this one right here. 27.30. Expect the bears to be there to smack that thing right back down. You take it, we sitting at 26.55. That's less than $1 run. I don't really see the goods in this one, but hey, to each his own. If you out there scalping those 30, 40 cent increases, then more power to you. It's all good. I am not mad at you. If you playing this to the downside, you want to see this stuff right in here get taken out or open lower than 26.40. They can do that. Boom, you coming down to 26.15. Next area of interest is going to be this stuff down here at 26 even. They break through that. You got these bottoms down here at 25.60. They lose that right there. They're going to come down and try to test this stuff down here at 25.30. Next level down is going to be 25 even. They start losing 25 even. Next level down is going to be 24.55. That's when it started getting fun. Who's to say they very well may pop this thing higher than 27.30. I just don't see it anytime soon, but hey, go for it. Next ticker up is going to be SoFi. I know it's a few of you in this play as well. I had a play out there. I said 16.30. Once they hit 16.30, that was going to be a heavy level. If they was able to get to that, it was going to be 16.40. This is another ticker that move in the small increments, but you see they tapped into 16.40 and they got smacked all the way back down. We're sitting at 16.25. So if you are a bull tomorrow and you want to see this go any higher, they need to hold above 16.40. They can hold above 16.40. Next level up is another heavy level at 16.46. They break through that. You got 16.55. Next level up, 16.64. Expect the bears to be in that area right there. On the downside, you want to see 16.20 get taken out. They can take out 16.20. You got this stuff right in here at 16.10. Next level down is going to be this stuff up in here at 15.95. They break through that right there. You got a little bit more right here, 16.80. Next level down, 15.70. They break through 15.70. Boom, you got 15.55. Next level after that is going to be 1541. They just slowly dropping that thing down with the 10-cent increments. Sometimes it takes those baby steps to build up that account. I am not mad at you, but big baller shot callers, where y'all at? Y'all come on up. I got a couple for you guys, and even newbies, beginners. It's one of these in here that I'll throw out there that you can get into this one. It'll give you a little bit more volatility than the HUT and the SoFi. First ticker up is going to be Apple. They're sitting at 228 even. They had this big run up today. As you see, we were sitting all the way up here, 238.25, and man, they just start tumbling all the way down. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 229. If they can open higher than 229, you got 230.10 on deck. Next level up, you got 231.25. They break through that, you got 232.25. And if you want to see this thing start booming back up, the level that you want to pay attention to is 233.45. If they can start closing candles higher than that level and hold it, boom, they're going to run this thing all the way back up to 236.30 before they run into any turbulence. That's something to put on your radar. If you see those areas start getting violated, you already know what the plan is to the upside. To the downside, if you are a bear, you want to see them open lower than 27.45. If they can open lower than 27.45, you got this stuff at 226.90. They lose that level right there. You got these bottoms right here at 225.75. Expect a bull reaction at that point right there. Anytime you get those sharp lows down here like that, if you scroll all the way to the right and see what's going on, and then scroll all the way back to the left where you're looking to make your levels at, you'll see that it's starting to form a double bottom. And that is no good if you are in put. So just be cautious right there. Now, this can be invalidated. They start blowing through that level right there, then you naturally going to look for another level down. But I'm scrolling left and I don't see much after there. I see it again, 226, heavy level. If they start breaking through that, your next level down is going to be this stuff down here at 224.30. So it's possible, but expect a bull reaction at that point. Next ticker up is going to be Tesla. Tesla played games all day today, but guys, I had it in the Discord what Tesla was doing and what it was trying to do. I gave you guys the ranges and let you know, guys, and this is for tomorrow. They're sitting at 410.73 right now. We know the ranges. 415.20 above that level right there, them closing candles and holding above that level, is bullish. They're going to run this thing to 417, 420, 423, 425. Below 415.20, it's that area, it's a neutral zone. You got 411, 411.20. If they break 411.20, that's when it turns bearish. And they will shoot their shot to 409, 407, and so forth. Right now, they done broke that 411.20. They at 410.75. You want to see them open in the morning lower than 409.10. If they can do that, next level down, you got 408.20. They start losing that area right there. You already know the drill. We coming back down to 405.30. Next level down, boom, we touching that 400 mark. Next level down, boom, you got 394.50 on deck. We'll handle in real time once they start taking out those areas. But if you are a bull, again, you want to see them open higher than 415.20. They do that. You got 417.20. Next level up is going to be 420.40. Next level up after that, 425.90. There you go. And Tesla, Amat is next. Amat is one that I want you guys to put on your radar because they've been popping. They've been going up. As you see, they went all the way to 191.70. I've had my eye on this one for a couple days now. They on a pullback right at closing, but they're sitting at 186.45. This can give you a play to the upside and to the downside. If you play in this one tomorrow, you want to see them open higher than 188.35. If they can do that, next level up is going to be 190.05. They break through that. You got this stuff up in here, 190.80. Next level up is going to be these tops at 190, 175. They can go even higher, breaking through that. On the downside, you want to see them open lower than 185.55. If they do, pay attention to this. You got 183.10. Bears start getting strong and picking up volume and start closing candles up under 183.10. You got, boom, you got 179.55 on deck. Next level down, if the bulls don't show up right there to try to pop it back up, next level down is going to be 178.20. After that, you got 177.60, and it gets ugly again with them losing 175.95. You got, boom, 173.95 on decks. That's one that you can pay attention to, and you start seeing those areas get taken out. You already know how to react. It's time to pounce on that thing. That's all I got for you as far as tickers today. We had a couple plays in Discord today. I put out there today. That way you guys didn't get caught up or get lost in the sauce. I told you guys, we ain't doing nothing but premium burning in Tesla. And look past where I wrote the neutral at. I knew the E was supposed to go in front of the U, but I wasn't changing it. It was too late. I put it out. It is what it is. You get the point. But I put out there, I said, this is the neutral zone, 415.20. No calls until we get above that and start closing candles. No puts until we start closing candles up under 411.20. In that zone right there, don't get excited. You might get a couple green candles. You might get some red candles. Don't get excited. That's premium burn. All they're trying to do is fool you and trap you and take your money. We ain't with it. We know better than that, and we ain't doing that. This was a fun day, but we back at it tomorrow. For you that's watching, and if I didn't call out your ticker, make sure you tap into the Discord. That way you got access to my full list of morning call outs, as well as the technical analysis breakdowns of the top plays throughout the sessions. I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join us in the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.